Hello everybody. If the Delwalt battery is charging, as you see, flashing slowly, that means its battery is good, it's charging well, no problem. But I'm gonna take this. This is a good battery. I'll remove it and put this one. The old, those are three of them. They are bad. Let's check this one. And so right now, as you see, it's charging, and within about a minute or so or less, you will see this start. The red LED light start flashing very fast. That means the battery no good anymore, won't hold the charge, and it need to be either replaced or fixed. And this video trying to fix. I got about almost like 6 bad batteries. I need to fix them and see if we able to use them again. So I'm gonna pause the video a little bit until you see this gonna be kind of start flashing fast. After about almost 2 minutes, as you see now, start flashing quick. That means this battery is not good anymore, and so time to either replace it or fix it. So we'll try to fix, because I got 3 batteries here, 1 2 3, and I got another more, and I'm using all like most of my tools Delwalt 18V. So we'll see how it goes. You need a screwdriver shaped like a star. Remove 6 screws. Remove this, easy to come out like that. And you see inside there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 separated batteries connected all together. So this one just need to be pushed hard, pushed like that, and should be open. Here we go, just like that. This not supposed to, it's dented, as you see here. You can, this one, it's supposed to be lifted up all the way here. This is another connection, and this is like a negative. This is negative, positive, and another positive. So we'll see if we can fix this. It could, maybe that's the cause of the problem, I think. So first let's check the voltage. If you have a multimeter like this, use the 200, because those are just over 20 or something like that. So if it's fully charged, use 200, so the multimeter reads better. So this one is 7.9 right now. 7.9. You see, this is what I'm talking about this. 7.5, 6, and 7.5. So we need to fix this first. Let's try to fix it. You see? This may be causing the problem. I'm gonna try it after fixing this and see if that can solve the problem. If not, then as you see here, so much heat burned a little bit down there, and that may be why it's this one is bad. Or but first I'll do this, fix this one, this connection, and then charge it and see if that solves the problem. If not, I have to disassemble those batteries and check them all by multimeter to see which one has a very dead, like no voltage or zero, like just below 1 volt, and that can be replaced, because I can take one cell, like battery cell, from this one, also this one bad, and this one is bad, and then replace the good ones all here, and that can restore the Delwalt battery again. But first, let's do this first and see how it goes. That looks good, as you see now. Looks good, straight. Now I can use a crazy glue, so this one won't be loose again, and maybe it's a good idea just to okay. Before I'm using crazy glue, I'm gonna test it right now. So here you see there are three, one, two, one in the center. So three of them. And this one, that's how it goes. So three like that. Make sure this all connected. Let's test the voltage before I put it back to the charger. 7.9. Now it's flashing, and I'll pause the video. We'll see if that solved the problem or not. So 5 minutes passed already. This looks like it's charging well. The problem has been fixed. Now I'm just gonna remove it. Okay, so let's talk about a little bit to give you an idea about what's happening here. You can check the other videos I have. Those batteries, Delwalt or any 18V, there are three possible problems to cause the battery not charging or stop working or not holding charge anymore. So the one, like those are 14 separate cells, battery cells here. This is the number one problem. This is the worst case scenario. You can check those ones one by one. We could remove this completely. Probably I'll do that in my next video, because I got more batteries to fix, and you can check all those cells one by one to see which one is completely dead and replace it. If you have, you can take from the old one, take the good one cell and replace it with a bad one. This is number one. Number two is those wiring. Check those wiring in case of any cut or burning or shortage or anything like that. And you can see, because those are really heavy duty batteries, they are 18V, but they can go to up to 22V, and they got a lot of amperage, and that's why they operate the tools. So the third problem, it's those connection, and those connection that we got, this is positive, negative, positive, and there is the capacitor. This is the capacitor. Gives you more even amperage, and so you can see here negative here too. So you can see this, the middle one, positive, negative, and the capacitor. If this one, sometimes something is stuck, like inside there and inside your battery charger, a screw, debris or metal or anything, and you're trying to stick it there hard, this can break one of those ones sometimes. And you can check the other video I had, as one of those one broke over there. This one was broken, and you can check that video. I had to weld it, use a soldering to solder it down with wire. So this one, it works good now, and you can see there are 1, 2, 3. So 3, you see, negative, positive capacitor, this one here. So for some reason, this one, as you see in the earlier in this video, it was kind of bended all the way down and not using anymore. Somebody did that on purpose, or maybe accident, or trying to fit it in. It didn't fit, so they push it hard until this one completely dented, and it would bend it all the way down. So I had to put it, luckily, like, those are very flexible, copper, and so you get good connection, and they also like corrosion resist, rust resist, and so that's how they hold a lot of a good amount of voltage and amperage. So this one, put it back again there. You can also use a crazy glue to stick it a little bit here, just on the piece of the plastic holding it, so that way it does not break again or does not lose again. But this battery has been fixed and good to go. I'm just gonna put it back again, and it's so easy to put it back, just like that, and the cover. Okay. I'm gonna pause the video again just to make sure everything works good. After 5 minutes, it's been charging very well, and this LED red light, it's not flashing fast, just flashing normal. That means the battery is charging. Now I'm gonna test the voltage to see what's the reading. So it's 16.4. 16.3, and you can see this one, the middle one I was talking about. So this is the capacitor, 16.1. This battery is good, and thank you very much for watching. All the best, and hope to see you next video. Don't forget to watch the other videos about those battery troubleshooting, how to fix them, repair them. All the best. Hope to see you next video. Please subscribe, share this video, give us thumbs up, and hope to see you next one. Thank you.